Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Cadillac SRX Premium. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, forward collision alert, RTX wheels, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom here. You're going to have your power trunk release. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome and wood accents. Cadillac badging. Onto the seats, you're going to have these heated and ventilated power adjustable seats with seat memory as well as built-in thigh extension. Left side, you're going to have your ventilation and lighting control. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, voice recognition, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your volume control and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access quite a bit of vehicle information, including your music, navigation, settings, as well as your just odometer. If you go left to right, you can switch up from your gauges, from your speed, again, cruise, all that fun stuff, and you can switch to each side. It's going to be push to start. Onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. You got your Bluetooth connectivity, built-in OnStar, and navigation as well. You can also access your climate through here and the rear climate as well. Or you got more of the climate controls on the bottom there, built-in CD player. Below that with some storage and a 12-volt DC port. Of course, you're gonna have the shifter with more of the wood accents with lane departure warning, park assist, and as well as your eco mode. And you're also gonna have the double center console with more storage and a USB port as well. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and cooled. The wooden chrome bells all the way across. The Bose speakers up top with the vents. And then here you can access your reading lamps and as well as your panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these black 18-inch RTX wheels on Toyo Celsius tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps and the chrome keyless entry door handles, luggage side rails up top, deep tinted rear glass in the back, as well as you got the dual exhaust tips. And with the power trunk. More mats, you can also add the splitter if you like. You got extra hooks and lamps as well. Oh, there you go. You got extra storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Onto the rear interior. Again, you got more of that paneling and storage next to the speaker. Power window with the wood and chrome accents again. On the back, you're gonna have mesh storage behind each of the seats with rear climate controls and rear heated seating, as well as two 12 volts. This little stuff kind of frozen. Built-in storage on the bottom. Got the cup holder and armrest right in the center. So there's more storage in there. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2015 Cadillac SRX Premium. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as heated and cooled leather seats, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.